Imagine planning your retirement budget, expecting to pay the standard Medicare premium, which is for 2025 only $185, only to discover an unexpected surcharge based on your income. This additional cost is called IRMAA, and it can significantly impact your healthcare expense if you're not prepared. Today, we'll uncover what IRMAA is, how it works, and most importantly, how it affects your wallet in 2025. If you're on Medicare or approaching Medicare eligibility, stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. My name is Kevin Lee, and this is the Golden Canopy Health Management channel, where we're dedicated to ensuring health, enriching life, and embracing retirement. And today, the big question is, what is IRMAA? Well, IRMAA stands for Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount. It's an extra charge added to your Medicare Part B and Part D premiums if your income exceeds a certain threshold. Essentially, higher income beneficiaries contribute more to the Medicare program. Why 2 years ago, Medicare determined your IRMAA based on your modified adjustment gross income from 2 years prior. So for 2025, you're looking at your 2023 tax return, okay? So 2025 IRMAA income brackets and costs. Let's break down how your income affects your Medicare Part B and Part D premiums, okay? So in 2025, if you make $106,000 or less, then your Part B premium is $185, okay? If you're married and your joint household income is less than $212,000, then you still pay $185, which is the standard cost for Part B premium, okay? If you are, as a single person, make $106,001 to $133,000, your Part B premium will be $259 for single. And if it's joint, it'll be $212.01 through $266,000. That will also mean your Part B premium will be $259. I have a chart that will be on the screen here, and you'll be able to see each bracket and what your Part B premium will cost, all the way up to gross income over $500,000. On that chart, you'll also see your Part D IRMAA surcharge as well. If you make $106,000 or less, your Part D premium will be $0. And if you're a joint household and you make $212,000 or less, then your Part D premium will also be $0. But of course, as you look at that chart, you'll be able to see exactly what those IRMAA charts is. And I'll even create a link for you to download the IRMAA sheet so that can help you prepare for your Medicare journey as you're turning 65. Now, the cool thing is that the thing to note is these surcharges are in addition to your standard Part D premium, which, I'm sorry, that's not cool, okay? So Medicare is structured so that beneficiaries with higher income contribute more, helping to sustain the program for everyone, okay? Now let's consider two scenarios to illustrate how IRMAA can affect your Medicare costs. Scenario one, let's say Susan, who is a single retiree, and her 2023 income was $120,000, primarily from investments. So as I said earlier, your calculation for your Part B premium is in a 2-year behind cycle. So they're gonna look at 2023 to figure out how much you pay. In this scenario, instead of Susan paying $185, Susan will pay $259 for her Part B premium. And her Part D surcharge will be $13.70 per month on top of her premium for her plan. So total additional annual cost would be $1,008, okay? So I'll give you another example. Example two will be Robert and Linda, a married couple, and their combined 2023 income was $350,000. So your Part B premium each pays $480 per month. And Part D surcharge each has an additional $57 per month, combining an annual cost for both at $7,944. Okay, now that is surprising. So this is why it's important that you know and understand IRMAA so you can properly budget and prepare for your retirement if you are, no matter where your tax bracket is, so you know what you're going to be getting to, okay? Now, if you're surprised, well, you're not alone. Many are unaware of IRMAA until they receive their medical bill. However, if your income has decreased due to certain life events, you might be eligible to appeal these changes. You know, a lot of people say 2 years, 3 years before they retire, they made more. And of course, once you retire, your income usually stops. And if that's the case, you can appeal for a lesser amount for your Part B premium. Now, you may qualify for an appeal if your income has significantly decreased due to life-changing events such as retirement, divorce, or death of a spouse. You can request a redetermination of your IRMAA, and what that'll do is we'll relook at those numbers and say, okay, although you may have made $350,000 in 2023, you're unable to pay that $450 for Part B premium, okay? And situations eligible for appeal are retirement or reduced work hours, divorce or annulment, death of a spouse, loss of pension income, loss of income producing property, and those are a list of reasons one can appeal their IRMAA, okay? Now, the way you appeal for an IRMAA is to obtain Form SSA-44, which is available on the Social Security Administration website. You know, gather supporting documents such as a letter from your employer regarding retirement or recent tax returns. Similar, the form, submit the form and documents, mail or deliver them to your local Social Security office, or if you need assistance, you can always reach out to Golden Canopy Health Management, where we'll guide you through the appeal process and help you understand all your options, okay? Now, understanding and managing IRMAA can be complex, but you don't have to navigate it alone. You know, schedule a free consultation with Golden Canopy Health Management, and you'll find our number, you'll find our website, and our 2025 complimentary guide to understanding Medicare, all below. And you don't have to navigate, you know, IRMAA and understanding IRMAA by yourself, okay? We can help you navigate it, but we thought it was very important that you were aware of IRMAA prior to signing up for Medicare, so you won't be surprised if you are in a different tax bracket that you're hit with these large costs for Part B premium, okay? Now, IRMAA can be an unexpected amount, especially if you are unprepared for it. But now you know IRMAA, you know how it works, you know how it calculates. We'll have this sheet in the bio for you so you can download for 2025. If you have any questions, concerns, please reach out to Golden Canopy Health Management. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.